Shalom Chavarim, this is Richard Solomon, and this will be a demonstration, or if you like, a tutorial, on how to use Google Docs for an iOS device, such as an iPad mini, or an iPhone, for Judaic instruction. So obviously I'm assuming that you have an iOS device and that you know how to download the Google Docs app. So if that's true, let's show you how you make documents, Google documents, through using Google Docs. So the first thing we want to do is we want to find the Google Docs on the, in my case, it's on the iPad. And here is a Google document on a select list of Midot that we created. So let's show you what that looks like. It's just loading up. What you know is what we have done is we've made a table. We have a name for the document, select list of Midot. We have a column that says Hebrew transliteration, another column that says definition, and we have a list of words and a list of definitions. So how do we do this? By using the Google Docs app on iPad, an iPad mini, or an iPhone, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So do you see this little plus over here in the circle? That means you can add a document to your iOS device. So let's click on that circle and let's call this test. Okay, so we'll write TEST and we'll hit where it says create. We'll tap on that and we are now creating a document that's called test. And let's say the first thing we want to do is we want to be able to give it a title. So let's go to over here. You see over here where it says paragraph? Let's click on paragraph and let's click on, we'll center this. Okay, that's good. And let's click on the boldface. You see the boldface up here? And let's make it into a capital. Okay, and let's write select, S-E-L-E-C-T, list of Midot, M-I-D-D-O-T. Okay, and then let's hit the return. Close this down. Now we want to make a table. So how do we make a table? What we do is, you see the plus over here? Okay, so we hit return and we hit the plus, and if I want to add an image I would click here, but I want to add an image, I want to make a table. So let's click on table, and you see over here where it says columns, I want to make two columns and I want to make 10 rows. So if I want to make 2 columns, I hit the down arrow so it gets 2, and if I want to make 10 rows I hit the up arrow, right? See, I'm doing that, and then I hit insert table. So let's click on insert table, and sure enough we now have a table, right? Let's just show you the whole table, and it contains many different lines. Now let's say I want to write something in the box, so I click on the place I want to write. I want to write something in here. Let's say I want to write in boldface, so the boldface over here is highlighted and I want to capitalize, so I write the word Hebrew, H-E-B-R-E-W, and I think the next word was transliteration, right? And then in the next column, well, I think I misspelled that, so let's spell it correctly. Let's click the next column. Okay, right over here. And let's write the word. I think the word that we want to write is definition. So let's capitalize this. Hit the word definition. Let's make it into a capital. Let's try once again. Definition. Definition. Okay, so, and then you would simply write the words over here as you had before. And let's show you a couple other things. If you want to share this information, you see this person up here? You just click on that, and that allows you to copy the link or send a copy to others, and you can also put their names and their email addresses in. If you click on the flag, this flag over here, you can make comments. Let's click on it again. You see these three dots over here? If you want to click on those three dots, you have the options to find and replace, share and export, give feedback, etc. So what have we said? Let's go back and let's get to the original document that we made. We are saying that the Judaic student or the Judaic studies teacher can make charts and create images and make tables and write articles, if you will, or poems or whatever related to Judaic instruction by using Google Docs on their iOS device, such as an iPad, an iPad mini, or an iPhone, to enhance Judaic instruction. All of this can be shared with students and staff, and we hope you will consider using an iOS device with your Judaic instruction. Thank you so much.